Hi guys, it's Eva. How are you? So today I will introduce our water ripple lightbox to you. Don't go away. Follow me first. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the link below the video to stay updated with the latest tips and tips for growing your business. Alright, let's get started. Strong sense of atmosphere, perfect for decoration. If you are looking for some beautiful light boxes, it's a perfect choice right now. Check out the panels here. It can reflect the light source better and catch your eye without excessive decoration. The color can be adjustable to suit your needs. Such a beautiful light boxes. Do you want to get it? If you want to get this one, comment down to let me know. So no matter what your business is, I believe lcsign can help you grow your business. Not every signfactory will have such a wealth of exhibition experience and such a complete supply chain. So if you are still looking for a reliable signage supplier, lcsign is your best choice. If you have already subscribed to our channel, do that right now guys. Hit that like button and comment down below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.